survived our first night in the tent, all four of us. It was actually really nice. It was really breezy, and it's about 7:30 now, and we are up and just setting back up for the day. I'll give you a look around. There's Daisy. I don't know where Lily went to. Oh, she's over there behind the chair. But it's super peaceful, super quiet. We did have this little fan going last night, which was actually really nice. And it really kept, I think, kept the air circulation good in here. But it's on low right now. It has 2 settings, and it actually was really, really nice. And the puppies slept really good right there on their bed. I was so proud of them. So yeah, I think Chad's about to start a fire, and we're going to get ready for breakfast. So we've started the process for morning coffee. This is just a pot with a lid that I actually got at the Goodwill, really cheap, that we thought we could boil the water in. And I actually brought my French press with us and some coffee grounds so that we can have the coffee, but this is kind of a new experiment for both of us, so we'll see how it goes. I'm a little concerned about the plastic handles and knob on the top of this, but hopefully it'll be okay. If not, I also did purchase a really nice fully cast iron pot and lid that we can use for other cooking here, so if this one doesn't work out, we do have a backup. So here's our coffee setup. I have the coffee grounds in the French press, and I've got the top right here, and we're still drinking, or I'm still drinking this Mexican coffee that Chad brought back from a coworker. It's really good, really fine grounds, but also really strong. So here is breakfast. We have just some plain bagels and cream cheese. And then we're also going to have some turkey sausage and coffee, pork sausage and coffee. I did an epic fail and forgot the eggs for omelets, so we're going to omit those, but nonetheless, should be pretty filling. What you doing over there? What are you guys doing? Just hanging out? Just being completely adorable? What's going on? Say we're camping, Mom. Can you see 2 little doggies down there by the water? Looks like they're making their way back up. Thought we'd set our chairs down there by the water's edge. What is it, Lil? Are you cold? Good job, Lily. We have her on a long leash simply because this lake actually drops off really deep right off the shore, and I just feel more comfortable knowing that we can kind of keep her on a long leash and rein her in as we need to. And we also just have the life jacket on to kind of help keep her afloat when she gets tired. She doesn't need it, but you know, it just helps make swimming a little bit easier for her. And then we got Daisy over here on the shore. She has no intention of going in. She just watches from a distance. Hey Lily, go on. Go on. Go on swimming. You done for right now? She's already been swimming for at least 30 minutes. She's probably kind of tired. I literally have no idea how I look right now, but we just finished taking a short nap and then in the tent, and then we just got some lunch. We had soup, and it was actually really, really good and probably the perfect thing for today, which is kind of like a mixed temperature. It is warm, but it is breezy as well. So we just finished that, finished cleaning up, and the sun's come out, so I'm so excited about that. So we might get back in the water and swim again. So our campsite is located like in a small cove of the lake, and this is, you know, the back, I guess like one of the back side. There's no other campsites that are on the water. That's a private residence there to the right. And as you can see, going out into the kind of the main area of the lake. So the water is absolutely beautiful, so nice, so warm. It feels like bath water in there. So we're in the tent now, just taking a little, I'm going to say this is the second snooze of the day, like a late afternoon rest. And I just decided to let the dogs come in here and rest because Daisy has been on my lap. Her and Lily have been on my lap for the past hour and a half, and she just won't quit shivering. I guess like the last swim just chilled her to the bone or something, and she just was, poor thing, was just shivering even like under the towel and laying, touching me and Lily. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We got Lily up here. Lily, you sleeping, baby? Huh? And then I wrap Daisy up like in a little cocoon. What you doing? You finally not shivering anymore? Huh? So anyway, we're just taking it easy. How good does this look? This is dinner. These are chicken kebabs with onion, zucchini, and an assortment of bell peppers. And then I also have this one Lone Ranger over here that just was extra vegetables. And I did cut and prep the chicken here, but I prepped all the vegetables, like all the chopping of that, at home before we left, and just put them in Ziploc bags just to make it easy for us. So hopefully these turn out really good and cook up really fast. Lily and Days, how's it going? You guys enjoying the camping? Huh? This looks amazing. Do you guys want to eat? Huh? Hey, Lily, do you want to eat? Yeah. Here. Here's yours. Oh, be nice, Lily. Lily. You guys have the same thing. Okay. Somebody down there resting? It's been a long day. Well, we are home and we have showered and are all clean now and just kind of taking it easy today. We actually got up and left fairly quickly this morning and we're out by about 9:30 or so. So Chad's actually upstairs taking a nap. I've got Daisy down here with me resting, and so today's going to be a true lazy Sunday for us, but we really hoped you enjoyed coming along on our camping weekend with us.